Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Slavery. Slavery means state of being slave. For example, thousands had been sold into slavery. Thousands had been sold into slavery. Synonyms: bondage, enslavement, servitude.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. He was born into slavery in Alabama. Now, repeat after me. He was born into slavery in Alabama. The second exemplar. An estimated 40.3 million people were experiencing modern slavery. Now, repeat after me. An estimated 40.3 million people were experiencing modern slavery. The third exemplar. The stronger ones would be sold into slavery or servitude. Now, repeat after me. The stronger ones would be sold into slavery or servitude.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
More English words begin with the letter S than with any other letter.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.